Hey there, friends. Sometimes the spot just calls you. I saw this tree covered in flowers. Thought it would be a perfect place to open a pack. Brought another Pokemon GO pack. Still hoping to spot that sneaky little Ditto. But we will let the cards decide today's path. No? What's this? Okay, just a V-Star. Never seen one in person before. Oh. Didn't expect to see you out here, Blastoise. You have a beautiful shine. Followed by a beautiful Sylveon. Two beautiful pulls in one pack. I'll take it. Thanks for spending a little time out here with me. May the day treat you gentle and leave you smiling. And until next time, take care and be kind to yourself. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.